The skid steer cover does not want to stay on. It's having a hissy fit. It's way too big. We'll need a new one. But look at that. Look at that sunset. I don't know if it's showing on my phone, but we're so green. We're so green. And we got our view. We've had little weed sprouts before, but this is a lot of them. Like, look at them. Look at these guys. They're just on the surface. Like, that's vibrant green. Lou is not nearly as excited as I am about the green weeds growing all over the property. But I mean, you know, it's the desert. And there he is, waiting for his crazy someday wannabe homesteading wife to stop filming 2+ acres of weeds. All right, guys, so just a little drop in to say hello, show you that our property's getting little random green weeds. My Pahrump people that are subscribed and follow and watch, please feel free to chime in and be like, hey, yeah, that's totally normal when we get rain. I assume it is, obviously, but just wanna, you know, it's just so glorious. Seriously, I've never been so excited about green in my whole life. But yeah, just wanted to pop in, say hello. We're still here. We will be doing more work, more heavy duty work coming up very soon. And just a heads up, I think we had mentioned that we purchased a 2003 Jeep TJ, and we have some videos coming up. One of me finally taking the Jeep on a trail. I'd never driven a trail before, only Lou usually does. And we also have a light installation coming up. And I know it's not exactly off-grid, but Jeeping and off-grid is how we started the channel. So clearly our off-grid stuff is going to be the mainstay of this channel, of course. But we're gonna have some fun little Jeep videos too in between to keep our content more active. So yeah, but in the meantime, you know, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and check out this view.